Son? Son? Oh
my god. Yeah, Dad?
Are you ready to make another video?
I'm still recovering from the last one.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Peeping Inside. Today we'll be peeping inside of a bullet. Isn't that right, Bill?
I thought we were doing rocks.
Why the fuck would we do that? Rock is inside of rocks. That's boring. Here we go.
Why did you do that?
What?
Why did you do that?
Because it's wacky and zany.
God.
No, okay. I get it, that wasn't the best idea, but we gotta stockpile them, to keep the fans happy.
The last video is idiotic.
Alright, today on Peeping Inside, we're gonna be looking at a 25-pound weight. Son, will you do the honors? Oh my goodness!
God
Son, you
damn it, Dad!
Looks like that was a little too much for him. How about you let a real man take a whack at it?
You're a fucking idiot, Dad. Dad, I'm asking you for this one thing. Can I not make a video with you right now?
Look at us. Father, son, couple tap water boys.
Stop memeing, Dad. You're fucking disgusting.
Oh, that must be the camera crew.
What camera crew?
For the documentary. Oh, hi. Hi, I'm glad you made it. Did you find the place okay?
Yeah.
Alright, good. I was just explaining to my son here that you'll be here to document the making of our newest video. I'm very excited about it, as he is. Do you mind if we film outside? Alright, cool. Let's go. So this is our camera setup. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. And this is our table, just a cheap table. Now this is a science show, first and foremost. It is about science, but it is also about my beautiful son Bill and our bond. We peep inside a lot of things together, but I also feel like we peep inside each other sometimes,
Oh, God! What the hell?
What? I'm just trying to tell the world how much I care about you.
Disgusting.
Should we get started?
I want to die.
Alright. Now, son, we talked about this. You gotta put whatever we're doing right in the middle of the table. It's called placement, Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Peeping Inside. This is a very special episode, and today we'll be cutting open a foam axe.
Do you think there's going to be any foam in this foam axe?
Well, we can't know for sure. That's why we're peeping inside.
Oh, I think we can. I bet you $100 that there's foam in this foam axe.
Oh, we got ourselves a little family wager here.
Shut up. Turn that camera off. If I'm right about this only being foam, I get to live with Mom permanently.
Can we talk about this afterwards?
There won't be an afterwards. Because after this, all you're going to do is go in the attic, find some old shit, then plan out your new video.
This is my job.
Stop. Is it a deal or not?
Okay, yes. Could you just finish this video with me?
Fine.
Let's peep inside this. Would you look at that, guys? It's completely made out of foam.
I knew it.
Bill! Bill, come back! Bill, what are you doing?
My dad? Boy, is he an idiot. One time at work, he had this mental breakdown. Hasn't had a job ever since. Ever since I was 8, he made me do these garbage videos. Have you ever seen Will It Blend? Essentially the same thing, just a gimmick. Who cares what's inside other things? What's inside a Game Boy, you ask? Wires and shit, obviously. Who wants to watch a lame, cringy dad? Especially in the earlier episodes when I was like 10. Have you ever been a 10-year-old that you didn't want to smack? My point exactly. Who would ever want to watch this garbage? My lord.
Hey, Samantha.
Hey, Dad.
How are ya?
Not bad, just been hanging out since you and Bill finished filming.
Yeah, I want to talk to you about that. Bill's, staying with his mom now, and, I need a co-host. What do you think about, cutting things open with your old man, eh?
Actually, Dad, I hate your show. And I don't tell my friends that that's what you do. It's actually the worst thing I've ever seen. Sorry.
You're fucking adopted. What's inside this pillowcase? What will be in me? THC.